Welcome you all. I am Raju Manji. In this video lecture, I will discuss about VB.NET operator. Operator means operator is a symbol which perform particular operation. There are different type of operators are used in VB.NET. Arithmetic operator, assignment operator, relational operator, logical operator, conditional operator, concatenation operator. Much of the operator you see might have learned basic of programming that in the C or C++. So much of the concept are similar. There are little bit different between the operators which you have learned in C language and operator which have going to see in VB.NET, and in this video lecture we are going to concentrate more on that different. So let us see arithmetic operator: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, integer division and modulo division. That means we have to find the remainder of that. In first arithmetic operator, let us the plus, minus, asterisk, division, integer or modulo division. In VB.NET there are three division operator are available: slash, backslash and mod. The different operator how will differ from each other. This division means we have to find when divide a particular. Let us see the practically what is the difference between division, integer division and mod. That means first of all you have to declare dim x as integer, dim y as integer and dim r as single. That means it is a float data type. R is a float data type. So r equal to x slash y. Then find the output. So output console dot write function are used to find the output of that. So find the output of r, then console dot read line or read key are used to hold the screen. Then nan, that means not define the value of x and y. So x equal to 10 and y equal to 3 and execute. The output is 3.33333. okay, and second x backslash y, and what is the output of that? Output is 3. Then again we have to write mod, mod. Modulo operator are used to find the remainder. That means remainder will be 1. Okay, what is the difference? Suppose we have to use x slash y, then output will be 3.33. The integer division store integer part of the integer value. So instead of that, suppose you use x backslash y, it is nothing but the integer division. Output you will get just of 3. Modulo division used for remainder. So whatever remainder of x mod y is 1, because x equal to 10 and y equal to 3. Then we will discuss second. The operator is assignment operator. That means assignment followed by addition, assignment followed by subtraction, assignment followed by multiplication, assignment followed by division, plus equal to, minus equal to, asterisk equal to, and slash equal to. Assignment operator are used. Equal to operator means comparison, but in C programming language, double equal to are used in comparison operator. But we print the value and we will discuss practically what is the use of that. That means suppose x equal to 10 and y equal to 3. We have to change here r plus equal to x. Then execute the program. 10, no problem. In we print the value of the r, it will print 10 on the screen. Assignment followed by addition. Suppose the value of r is 5 and we write like r plus equal to, suppose r equal to 5. In this case r plus equal to x, the output will be 15. Or we have to write r equal to r plus x, r equal to r plus x. This is the regular method, and r plus equal to x is a shortcut method. You can use and you get the output, both are the same. Similarly, you have to use r equal to r minus x, or r minus equal to x. Similarly, we have to use and find. Then we have to discuss other operator. The other operator is a relational operator. Relational operator, that means greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to. Not equal, that means in VB.NET greater than and less than are used. In third type of operator is relational operator. Relational operator, also call it comparison operator. These operators are used to compare two or more operands. Okay, basically two operands of this many type. So you can help comparison operator, greater than, equal to, less than equal to, equal to. But in C programming language, equal to is a comparison. But in VB.NET, only single equal to are used. For example, suppose here x equal to, you already single, y equal to 3. Suppose if x equal to y, then x equal to y, then it is a comparison operator. like that is nothing but assignment operator, but you write of this x equal to y. If you write same inside expression of if the case declare operator, rule of relational operator, okay, remaining of operator like this, you can create a boolean expression as a result true or false, but execute a part of the decision statement. I will discuss in detail upcoming video. The next type of operator is logical operator. The next type of operator is logical operator. Logical and logical or, logical not, logical and also, and logical or also. That means we will discuss practically how to write. That means suppose we have to write here the x greater than y and x greater than z. Suppose here dim another variable here z. Then suppose in this case AND operator are used if x greater than y and x greater than z. Suppose we have to find the largest value. There are three variables are given x, y and z, and find the largest number. In this case we have to use the AND operator. In AND operator both condition will be true. That means x greater than y and x greater than z, both condition will be true, then output will be displayed. Suppose we have to write the or, that means any one condition will be true, then output will be true. That means it will be execute. That means you know the function of AND or. But similarly we can create a boolean expression and the result and execute the part of decision statement. I will discuss in upcoming video. But the logical operator and or, but and also and or also, the two more operators are the different rather than the C programming language. In C programming language already discussed about the meaning of and or, but in VB.NET two more operators are given, and also and or also. You might have learning C programming in logical operator are used to combine two or more condition. So in this x greater than y or and also x greater than z, or we have to write x greater than 1, x greater than 2, and also x greater than 3. So in this expression there are three conditions are given or used the operator. So in this condition are true, then whatever statement are right here, the statement will execute if any of the condition false, if boolean will be skipped. And also and or also there are special operator in VB.NET. So in this expression if x greater than y, x greater than 2 and also x greater than z, then since the condition in false, then no and to check other the condition, and or also in the same job it will be skipped, then the condition, and condition 3 becomes, if we know the false, the entire result will be false. Similarly, and also or also are used. Last type of operator is concatenation operator. Concatenation, that means plus and n present. Again, the might begin for a plus. You already seen in arithmetic operator, but it is true place which makes differ, so you write the plus. Suppose r equal to x plus y, then what is the output of is 13. Output is 13. Suppose we have to like that x equal to, here x is string, y is string, then find x equal to, because it is a string of string data type, so you have to declare string value. So x equal to mcr and y equal to welcome. So x plus y equal to, find the output is a mcr welcome. That means here plus operator are used to, does not work in the plus, it is working is the n present, so or it is working in concatenation of the operator. It is a different thing. It is a plus is a concentrate, same type of value, then it is working the concatenation. N percent are also used to concatenate as well as different type of value. Suppose we have to use the different type of value, here use n percent and find the output mcr welcome. That means n percent are used to the concatenation. Suppose here dim x as integer, so x equal to 10 welcome. But what is the difference between plus and n percent? Here plus and n percent both are the concatenation operator, but what is the difference between plus and n percent? Plus are used in concatenation like all value are similar. Suppose x is string, y is string and r is string, but n percent are used or it is a concatenation operator. In the concatenation operator, x is a integer and y is a string, but it is working like a concatenation. So it is a operator of the concatenation type of value and concatenation different type of values. So I hope you are understood the concept of operator. If you have any regarding this, you can comment me. If you have suggestion, you can also comment me. Thank you for watching this video.